Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to cancel approved time off. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To cancel an approved time off request in Workday, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Workday app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do in order to cancel the approved time off in Workday is first check the status of your request, if it is approved request or unapproved request, and if the request is approved, what you need to do is reach out to your manager or time approver to request the cancellation. They may need to initiate a correction or cancellation on your behalf depending on your organization policies. Then if the request is unapproved, navigate to the time off section and then select request. Find the pending time off request on your calendar, then click on request and select cancel this request, and now enter a comment explaining why you are cancelling the request. Then once done, click on submit to finalize the cancellation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.